Okay, really quick video today. My biggest concern about the Zoom F2 came into fruition. So in my review I mentioned that this battery door seems very flimsy and it's from the kind of hard brittle plastic. And actually yesterday when I was changing batteries, this small piece has been broken. I've done everything right, push it inside, pull it out, but actually the tip of it broke, and now when you close it, it just falls off. Maybe it's not useless. I would probably use the painter's tape or gaffer's tape to tape it on, but this confirms the build quality of Zoom F2 is not that good. And actually lately I'm using mostly DJI Mic 2 as my field recorder, so this is not used very much. I've been changing the batteries 6, maybe 7 times. I record maybe 10, maybe 20 hours of sound with this, so I'd say the quality is really crappy. So before buying this, take this into consideration that this would break quite easily. Cheers, mate.